Good morning, children. Welcome to Good Samaritan School online health and physical education class. I'm Ritika Singh, your sports teacher. So, children, today we are going to discuss about our lifestyle and how our lifestyle affect our health. Okay, and we will also learn how through sports and games we can improve our health. Okay, so first one is lifestyle. It is the way in which a person lives. Okay, or children, in simple word you can say way of living is called lifestyle. It involves all the things a person usually do, where he live, his eating habits, his sleeping time. Okay, all the things comes under the living style. Okay, so children, have you ever observed your lifestyle pattern, how complicated we have made it, right? See, the modern lifestyle has a number of advantage, like easy people life, saving hundred of people's life by new development of medicine, vaccines, right? But on another hand, different modern lifestyle pattern have negative effects on health, like physically, mentally, psychologically, socially, right? Now we will discuss how our lifestyle affect our health, right? So, children, one of the modern way of living is the high intake of fast food, and this may be due to specific reasons such as short time specified for the eating, right? And lack of physical activity combination with fast food lead to bad effect on the heart health. Okay, even using high technology machines is another way of modernity. Children, we can say these machines has helped in saving the time to do lot of tasks, but wrong use of them will indirectly affect our health, right? And another one is advanced transportation and using computer for the long time, right? These all things make us to live sedentary lifestyle, and because of this lifestyle a person may suffer from many diseases like heart disease, obesity, diabetes, asthma, blood pressure issues, and many others. Okay, so children, today we will discuss about obesity and diabetes. Okay, and how we can prevent and cure these diseases through sports and activity. Okay, now we will talk about one disease, that is obesity. It is that condition of the body in which the amount of fat increase to extreme level. Okay, or we can say that condition in which adipose tissues increases in our body that result obesity. Okay, and children, adipose tissue is also called fat tissue. Clear? Actually, obesity is that state of body in which your BMI level increase above 30. It has been observed that obese person may suffer from diabetes, hypertension, cardiovascular disease, cancer, flat foot. Okay. Many of you may think that what should be the ideal weight for an individual. So children, there is one method to check your body weight, that is BMI, or we can say body mass index. Okay. So there is a formula to calculate your BMI, that is weight in kg divided by height in meter square. Okay, so as you all see in this slide, there is one BMI chart given by WHO. So by using that formula, if your BMI comes less than 18.5, then you are in underweight category. Okay, and if your BMI range is between 18.5 to 24.9, it means you are in normal weight category. Okay, and if BMI range is 25 to 29.9, you comes under the overweight. Okay, and as you can see above 30, BMI range is considered as obese. Clear? Now I will tell you some causes of obesity. It can be genetic, it can be behavioral, it can be metabolic and hormonal influences on body weight. Okay, so children, basically obesity occur when you intake more calories than you burn through exercise, right? And your body stores these excess calorie as fat. Diabetes. Children, it is really a dangerous condition. Diabetes is such a disorder that is causes sugar to build up in our bloodstream instead of being used by the cell in our bodies. Okay, see students, our body uses insulin hormone to control the level of sugar in our blood. Okay, and if our body does not produce sufficient amount of insulin, or we can say when insulin does not work properly, then person may suffer from diabetes. Clear? There are mainly three types of diabetes: type 1 diabetes, type 2 diabetes, and gestational diabetes. Okay. Now I will explain you some basic exercises through which you can prevent yourself from these diseases. To perform this, you have to jog 10 seconds on the spot, okay? You must pinch. Faster, faster. Okay, touch. High knee. Okay, now we will do plank, okay? So what you have to do, same, you will go like push-up position, okay? But in this you have to bend your elbow like this. Your forearm should be on the floor like this, okay? And hold for 15 seconds and look forward. Okay, relax. Now we will perform leg swing, okay? So you have to lie down in supine position like this, and your leg should be straight. Okay. Now raise your leg up to 45 degrees and start for 10 seconds. Okay, relax. Relax for 5 seconds. Chin twist. So in that, what you have to do, just sit in long sitting posture. Okay, now lift your leg like this and start, and you have to perform 10 times, okay? Start.